Track 18.
Hi, I'm David. This is my wife. Her name's Helena. These are our 2 daughters. Their names are Isabel and Ruby. Our son's name is Oscar.
Hello, my name's Helena. This is my family. My husband and my 3 children. We're from Manchester.
Hi, my name's Ruby. I'm 11 and my sister Isabel is 14. Our baby brother is 1. This is my mother and father. Their names are Helena and David, but we call them Mum and Dad.
Hello, I'm Isabel and I'm 14. My sister's name is Ruby. These are my parents and this is my baby brother. He's called Oscar.
Track 19.
Mum, Dad, brother, sister, parents, daughter, husband, wife, son, children, mother, father, child, baby.
Track 20. 1,
Mum and Dad.
2,
Brother and sister.
3,
Husband and wife.
4,
Family and friends.
5,
Mother and father.
6,
Spanish and German.
Track 21. Example.
I'm happy.
1,
I'm sad.
2,
I'm bored.
3,
I'm hot.
4,
I'm hungry.
5,
She's clever.
6,
You're funny.
7,
They're tired.
8.
She's nice.
Track 22. 1,
Hi, Mum. Hi, Dad. This is my friend Bella.
Nice to meet you, Bella. Hello. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Bella? Are you Spanish?
No, I'm not. I'm Mexican.
2,
Are you hungry, Bella?
Yes, I am. Sandwiches? Thanks very much.
3,
Is it hot, Sue?
No, it isn't. It's fine.
4,
Is the film funny?
Yes, it is. It's very funny.
5,
Are you okay, girls? Are you tired?
No, we aren't. We're fine, Dad. Really.
6,
Bye, Sue. And thank you. Your parents are really nice. Thanks, Bella.
Track 23.
Hello,
I'm Owen and I'm Welsh. Carnarvon Castle is in Wales. It's a very big castle. Look at the photo. Rugby is an important sport in Wales.
Hi, I'm Ross and I'm Scottish. Loch Ness is in Scotland. It's a famous lake. Loch is a Scottish word that means lake. The thistle is a symbol of Scotland.
Hello, I'm Poppy and I'm English. The Shambles is in York, England. It's a very old street. The lion is a symbol of England.
Hi, I'm Emily and I'm Northern Irish. The Giant's Causeway is in Northern Ireland. Can you see the big rocks in the photo? These rocks are very old. There is a story about a giant in the rocks. The shamrock is a symbol of Ireland.
Interesting fact. The name of the money in the UK is pounds and pence. For this we say £2, and for this we say 10 pence or 10p.
Track 24.
England. English. Scotland. Scottish. Wales. Welsh. Northern Ireland. Northern Irish. Britain. British.
Track 25. 1,
Scotland. Edinburgh.
2,
England. London.
3,
Wales. Cardiff.
4,
Northern Ireland. Belfast.
Track 26.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Shona. That's S-H-O-N-A.
And how old are you, Shona?
I'm 13 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Scotland. I'm Scottish.
Are your parents Scottish?
Well, my dad's Scottish. His name is Callum. But my mum isn't Scottish. My mum comes from Spain. She's Spanish. Her name is Marta.
Ah, I see. So your dad's Scottish and your mum is Spanish. And where do you live?
We live in Edinburgh, the capital city of Scotland. It's a very nice city. Edinburgh Castle is a good place to visit. It's a big old castle in the centre of the city.
Oh, it sounds great. And what's your name?
Hi, I'm Max. That's M-A-X.
And how old are you, Max?
I'm 11 years old.
Max is a Scottish name. Are you from Scotland?
No, I'm not. I'm from England. I'm English.
Oh, I see. And where are your parents from?
Well, my dad is from Wales. He's Welsh. His name is Tom. And my mum's English. Her name is Rose.
And where do you live, Max?
We live in London, the capital city of England. It's a big city with lots of things to see, like Big Ben. Big Ben is a big clock. It's a good place to visit.